Hi friends, this is the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so today, friends, we are making Mac Attack Taco Stack. Now, this is going to be a fun recipe, and it's so easy, and it is affordable. Okay, first thing I'm going to need you to do is we're going to obviously need to make some taco meat. So 1 pound of ground hamburger, and while you're cooking this and then you drain it, I need you to boil a pot of water for the macaroni and cheese. So once this is finished cooking, we're going to need to drain all the grease out, if any. Okay, now I'm going to drain my hamburger. Okay, now get you a half a cup of water. I have a container of taco seasoning, so we're going to go in with two heaping tablespoons. Okay, perfect. Our water is over here boiling right now. Soon as I get this all mixed up, I'm going to get the macaroni and cheese done. Follow the directions on the box. My seasoning is all mixed up well into my hamburger, and I'm going to let that water cook out. I'm going to keep stirring it so the taco seasoning really cooks down into that hamburger. So I know everybody knows how to make macaroni and cheese, I think. And I also said follow the box. This is how I do it. 2 tablespoons of butter. A cup of milk. Okay, let's drop in your packet of cheese. Perfect. Now let's stir it up. Oh, nice if we turn the stove on. Okay, now my stove is on. Those clumps will start going away after my milk is getting warmed up. So here's the reason why I do it this way. Like, I learned this a long time ago. Doing it this way helps the cheese to get creamier compares to throwing this stuff on top of the noodles. Okay, see that? No more lumps. Okay, now get your macaroni and cheese in there. Okay. And just let that cook just a little bit. Cook it just a little bit. Okay. That just looks really creamy. We're still not done. We do have to cook it just a little bit more. Okay, see that? Yep, that's done. Okay, get you a bowl, get you a little bit of macaroni and cheese, get your taco meat, put that taco meat over. I'm just making a little bit right now because I eat later in the day. I just need to get this video done, and then supper's done. Okay, and then now here, then we top this with your choice: barbecue sauce or sweet red chili. So are you bold, or do you feel a little spicy and sweet? I think I'm gonna get the sweet red chili. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that on my bowl. I haven't went away. I'm just Okay, there we go. All right, look here. See the sauce? I have waited all day to make this. I was excited. And actually, I've made it early just because I was excited about it. Okay, friends, let's give this a try. You know, can you comment below on which sauce you're going to use? And, you know, I got to tell you, it's okay to use a different sauce, you know, like your favorite sauce. Just let me know what sauce you used because I really would like to know. I like these ideas, okay? All right, I'm going to step away and take a bite. Oh, that is too good. Try it and let me know which sauce you used. This is delicious. Okay, friends, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And always, friends, keep cooking. I love you all.